The Western Lakes skid load is a reduced line hose lay. This load is intended to be used on homes with a long setback, low-rise buildings, and medium-rise buildings. We'll begin by laying out the first 50 feet of hose in a long horseshoe. Make sure it's folded in half with the couplings lined up on the working end. Lay a 6-foot roof hook or pike pole down next to the loop end as a length guide. Leave an approximately 1 foot long loop at the static end. This will become a handle for pulling the load later. Start flat laying hose on top of the loop line. 50 additional feet will be stacked on each side. Folds should stop at the loop. Lay the additional 50 feet on the other side of the looped hose to get the total 150 feet. Attach an inline valve which will reduce 2 1/2 inch hose down to the 1 3/4 hand line. Attach the valve to the female coupling on the skid load. Attach a nozzle to the male hose coupling. 3 seatbelt straps will be used to secure the load. Position them under the layered hose. The bundle is now complete and ready to be loaded in the hose bed of the truck. Load the bundle on top of the dead-loaded small diameter supply hose, and connect it. Let the loop hang slightly over the bed so it can be pulled later for deployment. The skid load can be deployed by either 1 or 2 firefighters. The second firefighter should bring forward the first coupling after the bundle. As the line is being laid out, the operator will break off the dead-loaded supply line at an appropriate length and connect it to a discharge on the engine. Unclip the 3 straps. Neatly lay out the 2 halves of the bundle. Communicate with the operator that you're ready for the supply line to be charged. After neatly unfolding the bundle, the nozzle firefighter will grab the loop and walk out the hose. An alternative method of deployment involves grabbing the second and third folds on each side of the loop. While walking out the hose, the firefighter will drop the second loop on each side. Then continue walking out the third loop until fully deployed. The attack line can now be charged with water at the inline valve. Train with this load often to make sure you're comfortable with loading and deployment. Western Lakes Fire District Training Division. Do more and be more.